folks, and we got a really pretty car for you right here. It's a 2014, it's a BMW 335 X-Drive, and this is a luxury line. She's dialed in and ready to go. She's a 3-owner unit with a perfect Carfax. Over 27 dealer service records, no accidents, and this car has no paintwork on her. Navigation, backup cam, heated seats in the front, heated seats in the back, heated steering wheel, Harman Kardon sound system, dialed in, folks, and ready to go. Guaranteed credit approval is in full effect here. Starting down payment on this Beamer, we're going to go $1,195. She's a 2014 X-Drive 335. That's the big motor, folks. Guaranteed credit approval, $1,195 down. AskCleveland.com.